Here we are. That's the 3D printing tutorial. And basically, there's two parts to 3D printing. One is preparing your file from Fusion 360 for 3D printing. And then we're going to actually use that file in some 3D printing software. So the type of file, as it said in the tutorial title, is an STL. We need to make our objects into something called STL. We're familiar with all sorts of file formats. This one might be new to you, but follow along and it'll work out. So over here we have our different parts that we'd like to 3D print. And for each one of these, we need to create a printing file. So it's a 3D model file. And what you're going to do is right-click on the actual component, and you're going to choose Save as Mesh right here. And when you do that, you get a little dialog box pop up here. And yours will probably be defaulting to 3MF. And that's a newer format, but our printers can't use that. So what you're going to have to do is select STL binary, this one right here. That's the file type we need. Everything else can be left just fine. And we are going to now head down to the bottom and just push OK. When you do that, you need to save your files to a location that you can find them. Your location should be Comox Valley Schools OneDrive, and you should have a class folder. Notice the file name that it's going to apply here. You might want to simplify this because our printers sometimes have trouble with big long file names, especially I have brackets on mine. So let's simplify this a bit. Let's just call this Spur 32, and then I know what it is. It's the 32 tooth spur gear. And then when I push save, and I'm not on my, well, I guess I might be able to do it here. Comox Valley Schools, and then I would have an engineering folder, which I don't have right now. If you're making a folder right now, you just right click in the white space, say new folder, engineering, there we go. And I'll double click into that. And now I have my engineering folder, and I'll save it there. You do that for each one of your parts. Then you'll be using those files, as I say, in the Slicer software. Follow the actual PDF tutorial it's right after this one. You'll see it, and you'll be fine. That's it for this video.